everyone. For this experiment, we're going to make a bouncy ball. How many of you have ever heard of the game Jacks? Now, I'm probably showing how old I am by asking that question, but Jacks is a game that I used to play when I was little, and you take a bouncy ball and these metal cross-shaped pieces, and you have 10 of them, and you shake them up, you throw them on the ground, and you have to bounce your ball and pick them up. So that made me think about this with this activity, because you could use your bouncy ball to play Jacks. I do believe they still carry Jacks in stores today. But for this experiment, you'll need glue. You'll need 1/4 of a cup of glue. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just white glue, and I'm putting it in my measuring cup here. And it's almost around a full bottle, which this size is 4 fluid ounces. It's almost around the same amount that's in that bottle. I just use this spoon because it's a little bit easier to get it out. Okay, then I'm just going to add a few drops of food coloring, and you could also do gel coloring instead of the food coloring. Just a couple drops of that, and then I'm going to start to stir it up like this and just mix it up really good. Okay, next step of this is adding borax, and you can find borax at Walmart or Target, and it's actually good for a lot of different things. So it's in the cleaning section, but you're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of borax. Now, this is 1/2 tablespoon, so you're going to see me do 3 of these. And then you're going to stir it together with the borax in there. Just mix up that borax real good. You can see what's going on there, starting to take shape. And then you're going to add 1/4 of a cup of warm water and stir. For the next part, you're going to just take out the clump that's in there, like this, and you're going to run it under warm water, and then you have to let it dry and shape it into a ball. So I'll see you here in just a little bit. So I've rinsed my bouncy ball under warm water, and I just wiped it off with a paper towel. Now I'm going to form it into a ball shape. I'm just going to roll it between my hands like that. Now this is a big ball, so you could make a smaller one to play with as well. And also, if you use gel dye, it makes it a little bit brighter. And once you form it into a ball, it's ready to bounce. There you go. It just bounced away from me.